Now we're going to generate a frequency table for a checklist item. The question here is, how did you hear about this book? Check all that apply. And you can have friends, news, advertisement, or hear from a professional, or hear from other sources. And I hear if the respondents called and checked, they hear from friends, I called it 1. If they didn't hear from others, I called it 0. 1 and 0. And here we're going to use another function called COUNTIF to generate our frequency table. First, I just go to the worksheet I created for question 1, and followed by that, I'll generate a table frame for question 1 and have our raw data from 1 to 5 for those different categories. Okay, here's the process. We select the cell first and have equal sign first and find COUNTIF. Okay, select COUNTIF and click OK. Okay, here we need two things. One is range, one is criteria. In range, just simply go to the raw data and select the first for friends, and then the criteria is 1 because I called, if they check yes, I hear from a friend, I called it 1. So criteria is 1. It can be any other numbers you called. Click OK. Okay, that's 3. Okay, now we're counting news. Have an equal sign here in function space and see if we use it once, it's there. So we use COUNTIF again and give the data range first. Go to raw data sheet and ranges news and put criteria 1 because I called it 1 if they check it. So okay, it returns the respondent who checked news. Now I'm going to show you another way to do it. We can drag it here. Okay, but always check. Here's D3 to D12. But for advertisement, we want to check E2 to E11. So we're gonna go back and have it E2 to E11. Okay, we'll do as the answer too and have it here. You see the EF, so that's F2 to F11, and the criteria is the same. And we do others. Okay, I go back to do the simplest way. Use COUNTIF. Here, range, go to raw data, and we select the data range and give a criteria. Click OK. Okay, so now we got our frequency and we summed it up. That's 20.